Hey, thanks for sending me your work. Could you do me a favor though? Could you number your work for each problem and then write the work beside it? Like do problem 1, show your work, do problem 2, show your work, and so on. On this problem, I really couldn't follow your work on this one, that's why. Notice it's a prism because there is a triangle here and a triangle there. So the volume of a prism is the area of the base times the height. Well, the base is a triangle. So to find the area of a triangle, we go 1/2 times little b times h, little b for the base of the triangle. Well, in this problem, the base of our triangle is 5, and our height is 6. So we'll go 1/2 times 5 times 6. Well, 2 goes into 6 3 times. So 5 times 3 is 15. And then the height of our prism is the distance between the bases, which in this case is 6. So to find the volume of this shape, since capital B is 15, the height is 6, 15 times 6 is 90 cubic meters. Because 6 times 5 is 30, carry the 3, and that's where you get that from. Let's take a look at another one here. Now, in this one you showed your work. I still don't get how you got your answer. Because, first off, the formula is wrong. And I don't know if that was, you just wrote that down wrong. It's 4/3 times pi times r cubed. Well, the radius of this, if we take 18.8 divided by 2, well, that'll be 9.4, won't it? So we're going to say 4/3 times pi times 9.4 cubed. Well, at this point, let's use our calculator. So 4/3, I'm going to just type in 4 divided by 3. I think I'll put that in parentheses just to make it easy. 4 divided by 3 times, they wanted us to, instead of the pi key, they want us to use 3.14 times 9.4 to the 3rd power. And we get 3477. What are we supposed to round it to? On this problem, it says round to the nearest 10th. So 3477.4. And you had the correct units for cubic centimeters. Okay, now the next problem, you did show your work. And so I went back and I gave you the points because I don't know what you did wrong. I think you just typed it in wrong because the formula is right. 1/3 times pi r squared times h. If I type in exactly what you have, let's take a look at the difference. So if we take 1/3 you don't have to put 1/3 in parentheses. I just like to do that so it's easy to explain. Times 3.14 times 6 squared times 10. I get 376.8. You got a different answer there. So I don't know what to tell you because your work is right. Thank you for sending me work, and I went back and I gave you 9/10 of the points, kind of on a rubric. And the last question, I think you got pyramid. I think you're confused by pyramid and prism. Pyramid goes to a point. So which one shows a rectangular pyramid? Well, that would be figure B. Which figure shows a rectangular prism? That's going to have the same shape on the bottom as the top. That'll be figure A. You just got those two flipped around, I think. So hopefully when you redo this, you can rock this out. If you have any other questions, Zoom me in and we'll take a look at it, or send me an email, whatever you're more comfortable with.